Hi guys, my name is Shival. As promised last time, we're here to do the unboxing of the new smartphones Samsung Galaxy A34 and A54.
And today we are at Samsung Experience Store at TRM. So we have this new Galaxy series that have been introduced in the market, and that is the A34 and the A54. We will proceed to tear them down, do the unboxing, and see what is the improvement that has come in these new models in the market. So let's proceed on doing the unboxing. So I'm going to do the teardown of the A34 while
I'm going to do the teardown of the A.
So guys, here's my A34.
And here is the A54.
When you look in the box, we still retain the sleekness. And inside the box, you can see just how the net comes in the box. Comes to the USB to C charging cable. SIM card slot ejector. And the user guide. So that's all that comes in the box.
As for the colors, the A54 comes with lime, which I have here. It also comes in violet and graphite.
Also in A34, you can get it in awesome graphite, awesome lime, or awesome silver.
So Martin, I've noticed that the camera design on the A54 looks like the one on the S23. Can you talk about both models?
Yes, so there's a premium feature cameras in the new series. Actually, now they are taking the new S33 series feature. So if you see, they are protruding cameras, same as to the A34, and the finishing. The body of the A54 is made of Corning Gorilla Glass 5, both front and back, and the purpose of the Gorilla Glass 5 is to withstand toughness. So maybe this phone drops, it would be easy to break. So it will withstand easy damages and protect the screen. Also, same applies on the same, but now this one comes with the front is a Gorilla Glass, but the finishing is plastic, which is steel.
Can you now take us through the key features and how they differentiate the two models?
Yes, so these two models comes in different features. If we start with the A34, so it comes with three cameras at the back and a single camera at the front. So the main camera is 48 megapixels. We have the depth camera, which is 8 megapixels, and we have the macro camera, which is 5 megapixels. And in front, we have the 13 megapixels, which both they take images or videos up to 4K. It comes with a screen of 6.6 inch, that is Super AMOLED, and the battery capacity is 5,000 milliamperes. So this is a battery capacity which is supposed to enable you to do your tasks for a period of at least 2 days. It also supports fast charge, which charges up to 25 watts. So if you are in a hurry and your phone is out of charge, you want to take less time to charge it, use the best that you can use. The 25 watts will support the fast charge. So that is on the A34, and on the A54. So now there's advancement. So the main camera is at 40 megapixels. The depth camera is 12 megapixels, but the macro still retains the 5 megapixels. Now the selfie for the A54 is 32 megapixels, and the screen size now is slightly smaller. This is 6.4. They both support fast charge of up to 25 watts, and both record images or videos up to 4K. Also, this one comes with a 5000 milliamperes worth of battery, and it still can sustain you for use up to 2 days, at least 2 days of use.
So Martin, can you now take us through the enhancements in terms of performance in both phones?
So the enhancement in terms of performance, let's say in the A34 series, this phone will get it in 6GB and 1.6GB storage, and it runs on Android 13 with One UI 5.1. That is the latest Android system in the Galaxy. It also runs on the MediaTek Dimensity 1080. That is the processor, and that processor is enhanced in a way that it will manage your battery, the performance of your battery, so that it can last you for a period of more than 1 day, let's say 2 days. That is on the A34. When it comes on the A54, the A54 runs on the Exynos 1380 processor, and it comes in 8GB RAM with 128, but it has a variant of up to 256. So you can have it in 256 or 150. It also runs on the Android 13 with One UI or 5.1. So those are the latest Android versions, and also this one has been optimized in a way that to track the performance of your phone so that you reduce the consumption of the battery, giving that maximum usage time. Another advanced feature on both phones is the RAM Plus feature. So this feature will enable you to either increase or decrease the performance of your phone the way you want. If you are running heavy tasks, then you will have to increase on the RAM. But if you're not a heavy tasker, then you can reduce on the performance so that you can create more space. So to access your RAM Plus feature, you definitely have to go to the settings, then there's a battery, and just scroll down to the battery, then there's the battery and device care. On the battery and device care, then you tap on the memory. On the memory section, then you can see them. Then there's a RAM Plus option. Now you can either increase or decrease depending on your own want or the task that you want to do with your phone.
So Martin, can you tell us about the warranty of this phone?
Regarding the warranty, all Samsung phones come with 2 years warranty, and this warranty covers any accidental damage that is software related. But still, the Samsung gives you a screen warranty. That is what we call the Samsung Care Plus. So that is a platform whereby you activate the screen warranty just in case your screen gets damaged, it can be replaced at no cost. So whenever you purchase any Samsung phone, make sure that the shop attendant activates the screen warranty for you at the shop level. And then, if possible, you can also register on the Samsung member so that you can be notified on any new product in the market and the offers that are there as far as Samsung products are concerned. And we also have our in-house service center, which is approved by Samsung. So in case you encounter any issues, you can visit our service center at Phone Express. There you will be given the service that you need.
So we reviewed this phone. If someone wanted to buy one of these phones, where would a customer buy it?
So we got a lot of outlets where you can find us. So for instance, you can find us at Samsung Experience Store, that is at TRM and Westgate Mall. You can also find us at Phone Link Partner Shops or Phone Express outlets. Also, we are in selected Airtel shops. So in either of these branches or shops, you can get us there. You can also find us on the website that Phone Express. Also, if you encounter any technical issue with your phone, you can book it in with us in our service center, which is in Westland at Amia Gate on Canada. So there you come, walk in with your phone, or you can well book it at any of the branches.
This was a wonderful review. I hope to do this again soon.
Thank you, Shival. Thank you for coming again and for helping me take our viewers through the new series. And I hope that next time we'll have to do it even better. And to our viewers, thank you for being with us. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave your comments down there. And also like on the topic of this video. So thank you very much until